Hey guys, I just wanted to give a quick tutorial to help you guys out on editing our Google spreadsheet. So let's say we wanted to edit it today. So we would go into Discord and look at whoever edited their post, and then you go through and make all the changes next to their name. So if Zarkos changed his, we'd edit that, edit the next one, and eventually these are going to become out of order. And when that happens, the quickest way to sort this, instead of like making a new cell and dragging things around, is you select the whole two columns here. So you'll left click on the top left and shift left click on the bottom right to select this whole thing here. Then you'll right click, come down to the very bottom here, view more cell actions, sort range. And now we want to sort by the number column, which is B. So we come over here and we select B, column B, and we want to sort it from Z to A because we want the highest number to be at the top. After you've selected those, just hit sort, and it will automatically sort these from highest number to lowest number, and it'll bring the names with it. So I've already done this, so obviously it's already in order, but if it wasn't, it would look just like this. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I hope this helps.